I guess first and foremost we're a market research company, so our primary task is to go out and ask people questions. But unlike other market research organisations, we really like to make sure that the questions that we ask are everything that they can be. So if a client comes to us with questions and we think these questions, if only we could change the words around or add a couple of options and just think about what it is that we could do with it at the end of the research, we will always go back to the client and say that we will never just take questions and run with those questions. We will absolutely always develop them to make sure that the research that we can do is absolutely everything that it can be.
You know, market research is a toolkit. You can put a toolkit in the hands of a schoolboy or an expert, and they'll have very different outcomes. Even when you're an expert in market research, though, you can be different. You can be better than the others. And at Vanson Bourne, we recognise this very much so. Our ethos around customer understanding, around customer service, about going beyond what's expected of us in order to deliver extreme customer satisfaction is what we're about.
We'd say that Vanson Bourne are different to other market research agencies because of the way in which we really look to try and become part of that team with the client, helping them to really scope out what it is that they want to try and achieve from the research that we're going to perform on their behalf. It's their solution at the end of the day, and it's important that we embrace that and help them achieve that in what we look to try and provide to them.
When a client needs market research, we're not just the ones that do it, we're the ones that help them achieve what they need within their aims, within their objectives. And that means understanding that business and working within our client's business as much as we can in order to achieve that.
Yeah, no, absolutely. That partnership approach is definitely something that we hold dear from the way in which we like to work with our clients.
We don't just dump data on people. We give a really personalised service. We offer great analysis and great insight, and then at the end, when they come present their collateral or create press releases, we offer to stat check everything: infographics, press releases, reports, anything they want to make sure that they're using the data properly.
Vanson Bourne is different because we have our own panel. We have a specialist UK panel of IT decision makers and other functional areas. And these are large companies and small companies in the UK. And we know a lot about these individuals. And these people are our first port of call for any research that we deliver to our clients. So wherever we're questioning a survey, we're looking for some answers, we're unsure of what the answers may be, our panel will be our first port of call, as I say, and they'll be our first approach to define the questionnaire for our clients. And no other organisation has the panel that we have access to.